complexity of a sentence is called truth value. For example, 3 plus 8 is equals to 11. It is a statement. It is also 3 plus 8 is equals to 11. That is true. We can say that it is a statement and it is also known as proposition. And next, if we take the sentence, close the door. It is a statement, but it is a command. So it can't be a proposition. It can be a proposition because we will set that it is true or false. We can decide that it is whether it is true or false. So, but it is not the proposition or statement. And next topic is connectives. Connective means it is nothing but combine two or more propositions, right? There are 5 connectives. These are the symbols for the connectives, and this is it can be written in the symbolic form negation P. It can be called as negation. And it is conjunction. And this is disjunction. It can be called as conditional or conditional, and it is biconditional. It can be also called as implication, and it can be also called as equivalence. And the symbolic form for the negation is negation P. In conjunction, disjunction and these 4 includes 2 variables or more variables. But in the negation we have take 1 variable, and negation of that variable we can declare in that negation form. But in these 4 times we have to take 2 or more variables like P and P, comma Q variables. In this conjunction we can written the symbolic form P and Q. We already know that this is called as AND operation, and disjunction P or Q, it is called as OR, and this is P implies Q. It is P if and only Q, and it is if then. We can also have truth tables for this connectives. The truth table for the negation is if we take P only P, in that we will take true or false, and negation of P means if we take true value, and negation means opposite value. True means opposite value of it is false. For false it is true. Like that we will make a table for the negation. And if we take a conjunction, we will take P, Q. If we take, and there is a logic for that, if we take 2 variables and means P comma Q, there are 4 terms, that means true true, true false, false true, false false. We can calculate, that means if you take 2 variables, it becomes 2 power n means 2 power 2. That means 4. That means 4 terms will be there. If we take P comma Q comma R, it becomes 2Q. That means 8. And there is a table for that also. In this true true false false, and next table true false alternately it comes. If we take P comma Q comma R, 4 trues, 4 false, like that it will take, and this is true false false, and R table in that row alternatively it comes. And and q. We already know AND operation. If both the true values becomes, then it will becomes true. If one of the false is there, it will becomes false only. Why? Because if there is any false true means it will accept only false. And here also false. False means also false. Disjunction. Here OR operation is used, and here we notice that if one of the false is also there, the truth value becomes true only. Why? Because if one of the in the variable one of the false is also there, it will give true value.